Okay, now we will have a continuation of our presentation on illustrating the slope of a line. Now, what if imong pangitaon ang slope sa line pero ang given 2 points? For example, kani we have determined the slope of the line passing through A. Niyang coordinates x sub 1, y sub 1. Kay mo man na ang atong first point, and B is x sub 2, y sub 2 kay siya ang atong second point. So dara, kani mo ni si point A, mo ni si point B. Ato dong kwaon ang iyahang slope. So ipagpalagay na to, wala na siya diha. Kung ang line mo ni ang line, wala siya sa Cartesian plane. We are just given the point. So remember that the slope is equal to the rise, which is the change in y. Change in y. Diba? Mo na siya. Ang difference kibali sa y. Or, diba, the vertical change. Vertical change, o niya ang run is the horizontal change, or kung tanaw na dato sa Cartesian plane, ang horizontal is the x. So, ang horizontal change is the change in x. So, inana siya. So, pwede, kung gamitan nato, ang change in y is mura na siya difference sa mga y. So, atong ko ang difference sa duha ka y, and that would look like gikan sa y sub 1 dire antod sa y sub 2 kay bali dire ang difference ana pwede na siya is y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Mao na ang difference sa vertical. Karon ang run is the change in x kay horizontal man na siya, so gikan dire ang change niya padulong diha, so that means ang difference sa ato ang mga x. So ang difference of x sub 2 o x sub 1. So, mo di ay ni ang formula gikan atong rise over run kung given ang 2 points. So, we have here given 2 points, x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. The slope of the line can be solved using the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, mo ni ang rise, the difference sa lang vertical or sa y, the change in y, over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ang change dito sa x, or ang difference sa x. So, example, find the slope of the line given points 0, 2, and 1, 8. So, pwede si 0, 2, 0.02, mo ni siya ang atoang x sub 1, y sub 1. Ito naman si 1, 8 is our x sub 2 and y sub 2 nga coordinate. So, pwede ra gyud na magkambyo-kambyo. So, dili lang ta magbase para nag-solve na to, dali lang i-substitute. So, based sa formula, we have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I-substitute lang ni dire ang mga values nato. So, asa si y sub 2? Y sub 2 is daara. So, i-substitute nato itong ipuli. 8 minus y sub 1 is dara si 2. 2 over x sub 2 is 1 minus x sub 1 is 0. So, we have here, simplify or evaluate 8 minus 2, that is 6, divided by 1 minus 0, that is 1. So, 6 divided by 1 is 6. So, we can say that the slope of the line given these points, 0, 2, and 1, 8 is 6. Okay. Now, what if ang given is ang equation? Ang equation mismo. So, pangitaon na to ang slope ng equation ang given. So, dali ra pud siya, makuha nato ang slope given an equation, pero dapat ang atong equation is in standard form. So, given the equation of the line written in standard form, di ba ang standard form is kani ax plus by equals c, the slope is the ratio of the additive inverse of the coefficient a to coefficient b. So, ratio sa additive inverse ni A, o kani additive inverse niya, and ni B. Okay, so in symbol, remember, so we have here M is equal to the ratio of the additive inverse of A. So that is negative A. Diba? Kaya ang additive inverse ni A, yung opposite na sign is negative. So morning negative A over B. So kani ang ato ang gamito na formula kung given ang equation in standard form. For example, we have find the slope of the linear equation 4x minus y equals 19. So is this already in standard form? Yes, it's in the form ax plus by equals c. Pero take note minus na siya diha, that is the same with plus negative y. So tama gihapon ang atuang in standard form gihapon na siya. Now let's identify the values of a, b, and c. Or pwede ra si a and b. A is equal to, what's the coefficient of x? That is 4. And b is the coefficient ni y. Kauban ni y, that is negative 1. Using the formula that we had a while ago, the slope is the negative a or the additive inverse of your a over b. Okay. So since a is 4, the additive inverse of that is negative 4. Unya, b is negative 1. Okay, so we have the slope is negative 4 divided by negative 1. So negative divided by negative is positive. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. So the slope is 4. O, inana lang kadali. So make sure, first step, dapat naka-standard form ang ato ang equation. Another example. Find the slope of the linear equation 5x equals 8 minus 5y. So is this already in standard form? Wala pa. So dapat standard form natin siya in the form ax plus by equals c. So using the shortcut method, actually ang gamiton ani is the additive inverse, tapos katong addition, property of equality, pero by shortcut, katong atong ginatawag nga tabok-tabok, no, nga pag-ibali nato siya sa other side sa equation, ma-change ang iyang sign. Okay, so mo to ang atong buhaton. So ang dapat nato ibalin diri is c negative 5y. Balhin nato siya sa other side sa equation. So mahitabo 5x equals 8 minus 5y. Mahimo na siyang 5x. Atong ibalhin si negative 5y. So mutabok naman siya by our shortcut. So mahimo siyang 5 plus 5y equals, ang nabili na lang is si 8. So we have now our equation in standard form. So identify A. Okay, so A is equal to, ang coefficient ni x, that is 5. And B is equal to the coefficient of y, that is also 5. So we have here, using the formula, we have negative A over B. So we have the negative of 5 is negative 5, the additive inverse of 5, diba? So divided by B, which is 5. So we have here negative 5 divided by 5 is, negative divided positive is negative. So we have 5 divided by 5 is 1. So the slope is negative 1. What could be the direction of the graph of this equation? So possibly, it's going down. Kaya ang slope niya is negative 1. So, negative. Okay. So, hopefully, na may na-learn sa atong presentation, illustrating the slope of a line and finding the slope given ang graph, given ang 2 points, o given ang equation. So, don't forget to answer the questions at the end of this video. Bye!